Hi, Mr. Davis. My name's Kate. I'm a respiratory care student here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up, use your oxygen tank, go over some safety features, and also put a regulator on it and show you a Thorpe tube that we connect to the wall here at the hospital. So, first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is wash my hands real quick. And I'm going to get your oxygen tank here. We have it secured, upright position. We have it on a little cart that we can take it along with us. We know that it's oxygen because it's green canister here. In the United States, it's green. We have a color-coded system. Air would be yellow, oxygen green. We also can read here on the label that it is oxygen. I'll show you here also how we can put on the regulator on so you can use your oxygen tank, okay? So first, let me show you on this regulator, we have an O-ring and then 2 pins. We use a pin index safety system so we make sure that we have a proper regulator for oxygen, for the proper tank, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and connect this to the tank. We'll go ahead and slide it on, securing the pins, and I'm gonna put this on here. Before that, our oxygen tanks would have been covered with a plastic wrap. We'll go ahead and just snap that off and take the plastic wrap off. They used to have little O-rings that are connected in there just in case you have a leak. And I'll show you here when we turn on the tank. I'm going to crack the tank. With this E cylinder, you're not going to hear too loud of a noise. With our big H cylinders, you would hear a loud noise come out. So we'll go ahead and turn the tank on. All right. And we can make sure that we have some flow. You can hear, I'll turn on the flow here. You can hear the oxygen flowing. Okay, so we know that it's working properly. If we continuously heard a leak coming through right now, we know that the regulator, either one isn't on properly, so we make sure that it's tight. We shut off the gas, make sure that it was tight, secured with the pins. And if that didn't work, then we can also just replace that O-ring that was on the regulator. Okay, so I'm going to show you here. We went ahead and we would hook up your tubing. If you're on a nasal cannula or a non-rebreather mask, we just go ahead and connect it here. We'll turn on the flow. You're on 2 liters, so we'll let that go. And now, to shut off the tank, when you were all done using it, I would go ahead and we'll go ahead and close the tank off, all right? And we'll let it bleed out. You can hear the oxygen bleeding out behind me. We know that it's completely done when there's 0 PSI, also when you don't hear any oxygen anymore. I want to let you know that we can also check the duration of the tank. How long it's going to last for us. Well, all we have to do is get the pressure when it's on, see what pressure's at, and then times that by the cylinder coefficient, and then divide it by your flow. So this was full, the tank is full, so it's at 2,000 PSI. The cylinder coefficient for an E tank is 0.28. Divide that by the flow, which you're using, which your flow is 2. So we do that math real quick. 2,000 times 0.28 divide by 2, you're going to get 280 minutes. And divide that by 60, that's roughly 4.5 hours that it will last you. All right. We never want to let the pressure get below 500 for safety precautions. So now we have that the tank is completely bled out. We can safely remove the regulator. Here we are. Regulator's off. I also want to show you here, I have a compensated Thorpe tube, okay? And I want to show you a wall system here that we have the oxygen, air, and vacuum. You can see that these are also color-coded with our Thorpe tubes as well. You can see oxygen, color, green on the wall. I'll go ahead and connect it here. Push it in. So the ball jumped, that was in there, so it's compensated. We'll go ahead and turn on the flow. You can see that it's working. Let's go ahead and shut that off. To remove it, you're just going to press this button here. You hear a loud noise. There you are. That's it.